You want music?
No.
I can tell because of the way that you are.
Nope.
No. Let me stop everything I'm doing.
I just had it in my head.
Turn some music on.
Is that? Did you do tuba deck? Ooh. What about some foundation?
What about some foundation? Hey, let me get some blush out for you. All right. Ready?
Copy woppy.
Yeah.
I'm nice and even.
Okay.
Love it.
I love it. All right, back to work. All right, you ready?
Yeah, you ready?
Are we going to stand it up on the same line as last time?
No. I like that.
I need the paddle bit.
It's all right.
Oh, yeah.
You ever use those water balloon slingshots? We always did it off the dock trying to hit boats, and one time we hit a pontoon. And it wasn't the first time we hit a boat, but this old man came up on the property and like got us yeah, he got us in trouble. All right, now what? Oh, gotta frame this up. Happy?
Yeah. Okay, let me get the level.
Okay. You got it?
Yep, I got it.
Those things are heavy, dude.
I know. There's a lot of glue in them.
I remember when I was 35. It's the first old joke I've ever told. Dude, the years creep up on you, bro.
Oh, I know. I mean, it's not a competition, but 5 kids also wears you out.
Yeah, you should retire. Ready?
Okay, hold it there.
Okay.
Keep it on.
Happy?
Yep. This stuff is called Din's glass. This stuff will stand up to weather. This stuff has got fiberglass inside of it. It stands up to weather for, I know, more than a month. We'll have this dried in within a month. Our screw pattern that we have to do on these, every 12 inches on the field, every 6 inches around the whole perimeter. This does take a little bit of extra time on my end. It speeds up the process of driving screws exponentially. Whoever's screwing the sheets off, Josh or myself, we don't have to guess where the studs are, because you have to put a screw every 12 inches in the field, which is in the center of the sheet. But whoever's doing it on the perimeter, they just have to put one in between the bottom and the 12-inch line, and you can eyeball that. This just adds a little bit of extra time, but it speeds up the process when we're doing a total of 44 sheets. Come over here and look at this. This is how we want every sheet to land. This is on the center of this stud, so that's why I was marking out every 16, 32, 48 inches, because I framed these all to be 48 inches on center so that the sheets land like this. So when I stop talking and I get back to work, this will go a lot faster. Alright guys, it is the end of Friday and we are done with all the exterior walls except this one right here. I just wanted to admit something, made a mistake, and luckily it was a quick fix. So this window right here is gonna be a kitchen window. 2036, 24 inches, 2 foot, 3 foot, 6 inches. I accidentally made this window 24 by 36. 36 inches is not 3 foot 6. 3 foot 6 is 42 inches. So we have corrected it. The only thing I had to recut were these trimmers here. We were able to reuse this double sill here, and then I just cut these cripples shorter. They were up here, and I cut them shorter. So, all right, guys, happy Friday, and I'll see you next week. As always, guys, thanks so much for checking out this video. Please hit that subscribe button and follow along this triplex build. I'll see you guys next time.